This is my much beloved LaserJet 3100. I've had it since the late 90s and it has served me very well. There is a problem with this unit, and HP came out with a solution early on, but it only lasts for a short time. Is that after a while it has difficulty pulling paper into the unit and causes a jam. The solution they gave us was a paper board that has a sticky strip on it, and you would load it into the paper department and it would load up on a paper puller that I'll just show you in a moment here. And that renewed the tackiness of the paper puller. Of course, that eventually wears out again. And I've been dealing with this for a while and finally came up with a solution. So let's take a look what we have in here. Go ahead and get rid of this too. And we're going to have to pull out the cartridge. It comes out pretty easily. And let's see if we can see the paper puller easily. I have the automatic. There we are. That gray part right in the middle is the sticky part of the paper puller. In fact, at the very top of it, you can see a little bit of that extra tab that was as a fix-it that HP provided many years ago. So that's dried out again, and I guess you can't try it twice or they're not available anymore. So what I decided to do is try to get it tacky again. I took a cotton swab and tried to do it with alcohol. That didn't really do anything. You need more of a solvent that is going to penetrate and cause that to become tacky again. And the type of solvent that's really necessary is something like a petroleum distillate. So using something with a handy dandy straw attachment to it, I think we all can recognize this, is I just sprayed that right there. You could wipe it down a little bit or just run the paper through it a few times. There'll be a square at the top of the page that gets rid of the excess, and from that point on it's run smoothly, better than it has in many years. So this is a very simple fix, no disassembly required, and I hope it works for you. Please remember to subscribe and share this video to help disabled animals with donated wheelchairs.